Hello there guys, welcome to Dino's Vault. Welcome to my first ride review of the Honda Unicorn 160 BS6 model. This is one video that you guys have been kept requesting for, so finally I get my hands on this machine, the champion commuter from Honda. Thanks to JSP Honda here in Hyderabad for allowing me to bring this review for you guys. So please note that I'm taking full precautions, and as an auto journalist it's my job to bring you all the news about the automobile industry as to what's hot and what's not, and I'm doing it for you guys. So let's not waste any more time. Let's get straight into this review. The Honda Unicorn has been one of the most trusted commuter motorcycle here in India. Even to this day, I got hundreds of requests asking me to review this bike as soon as possible after the BS6 update. Now, given our current scenario where social distancing is of vital importance, having a fuel efficient commuter bike at home really helps rather than preferring public transport, and I think coincidentally, Honda have gotten the launch timing of this bike bang on. So what do we get with this all new Honda Unicorn 160, and is this going to be yet another sensible and game-changing launch for Honda? Let's find out. First, let's look at the design. Now, Honda have done a really smart thing by retaining the design of the old Unicorn, because some things are best left unchanged and people have always loved this classic Unicorn design concept. Now, the clever thing Honda have done is that they have utilized this BS6 update opportunity to plonk in the nice and peppy Unicorn 160 engine in this bike, and for those who are getting confused, this is how the actual Unicorn 160 BS4 looked like. So now with the BS6 update, we get best of both worlds. Also now, as part of the BS6 update, fuel injection is standard on this bike to abide by the stricter emission norms. So as a result, the fueling is precise, the throttle response is better, the engine is more refined, and the mileage would be better as well. In terms of design, I love the chrome part in the headlamp cowl that lends the bike a premium commuter bike kind of a feel. We also get some chrome bits on the side panels. Also, the 3D badging on the tank looks neat and clean. For those who are new to my channel, the advantage of having fuel injection compared to a carburetor is that with fuel injection, the air-fuel mixture that enters the combustion chamber is more precise, which results in optimized combustion efficiency and also making every drop of fuel count, and as a result, mileage on this bike would be better compared to the older model. Also, the engine would be more refined, and also the throttle response would be more consistent and clean. Another advantage of having fuel injection is better cold startability, which will really come in handy during the winter season. So starting with the important updates that this new Unicorn 160 gets, first is the inclusion of engine kill switch. Well, I know the backstory, so the first thing for all of you missing the engine kill switch, well, it has now been included by Honda, so I guess it's time to rejoice. Secondly, Honda have also introduced something called HET tire, which they claim reduces rolling resistance and results in offering better mileage. Now, I personally am unsure as to how effectively this works in the real world scenario, but for a nation obsessed with mileage, I think that this will ring more than a bell to grasp their attention. Also, in terms of safety, the bike now gets single channel ABS as standard as per the government norms, which is a good thing. For those who want to know how ABS works as a life-saving feature, I've done a detailed Dinopedia video on that, so please feel free to watch that video by following the link in the description portion below. Now, just to re-emphasize, the bike gets single channel ABS, which means ABS is operational only on the front wheel. At the back, we only get a drum brake, we don't even get a rear disc, but I guess that's perfectly fine considering that this is just a commuter motorcycle and not a sport bike. We also get a maintenance-free battery on this bike, which results in lower maintenance cost. Since the Unicorn 160 would qualify as the ideal family bike, having a long and spacious, comfortable seat really helps. Now, Honda claims that this seat is 24 mm longer now, which is really good. Another thing to note is that we just get a toe shifter for the gear lever. It would have been better if they had offered a heel and toe shifter for more convenient gear shifts. The bike also gets a longer wheelbase now at 1335 mm, which results in better high-speed stability. Now further contributing to this are the larger 18-inch tubeless tires, which again result in offering greater stability at higher speeds. Now seat height is 798 mm, which is perfectly set for riders of all sizes. Tank capacity is 13 liters, which when coupled with its good mileage results in good tank range for city commutes. Now this new model also gets increased ground clearance at 187 mm, which means you can ride carefree over the speed breakers. Now talking about the brakes, we get a 240 mm disc up front and 130 mm drum brake at the back. As mentioned before, we get single channel ABS. Talking about suspension, we get telescopic forks up front and a monoshock at the back. Now mileage wise, there is no particular claim, but I feel you can expect anything around 50 to 55 kmpl from this bike depending on your riding style. Now please do watch my mileage tips video where I share some crucial tips as to how you can extract the best mileage from your motorcycle. I'm leaving a link to that video in the description portion below. Now quickly giving you the engine specs. Powering this new Unicorn 160 BS6 is a single cylinder air cooled fuel injected 162.7cc engine that puts out nearly 13 PS of max power at 7500 rpm and 14 Newton meters of max torque at 5500 rpm. We get a 5-speed gearbox. Now let's go ahead and check out my first ride impression. Okay guys, so it's time to ride the all new Honda Unicorn 160 BS6 model. So we do get an engine kill switch to start with. So I have huge expectations from the Honda Unicorn 160 BS6 model. I love the engine on the first gen Unicorn 160. The design was something that many people had mixed opinions about. But the 150 has always been a champion commuter and a universal heartthrob as the commuter of choice when it comes to the 150cc motorcycles. Wow, it feels extremely light. It feels more stable because the body is bigger now. The Unicorn 160 original model was a little more compact. This one comes in the chassis of the Unicorn 150, so the engine feels more peppy, just like the original 160cc engine. So it revs very cleanly. The refinement is there just like any other Honda motorcycle. The gear shifts are pretty smooth and the clutch feel is also nice and light. The 3-pod instrument console, the signature design element looks good. You have the rev counter, speedometer and the fuel gauge. The seating comfort is very good. The riding posture is typically that of a commuter. The rider's triangle is perfectly established thanks to the perfectly positioned rider foot pegs, the raised handlebar and a comfortable seat. Wow, it's so clean and so smooth. Typically Honda, you can say. And when you come to a standstill, it's even more quiet. You might be fooled whether the engine is on or off. That's how quiet it is. But at the same time, it feels more peppy. That's the good thing. Full of life and energy. The original Unicorn 150 was slightly lethargic. But this one feels much more sprightly. And also the 18-inch wheels give better stability at higher speeds, the larger wheels, so that's another good thing. So guess what, we have another Unicorn moving right ahead of us, and I'm extremely sorry I'm having to ride without rear view mirrors because the bikes just arrived and I had to finish this review soon such that I can get back home. This is just a first ride feel kind of a ride impression, just to keep you guys apprised of the new launch, and you guys kept requesting me as to how it feels. It still feels rock solid. It is one of the best commuters that you can buy in terms of reliability, in terms of fuel efficiency. You can see I could grab a handful of front brake and yet the front wheel didn't lock up. That's because of ABS, or anti-lock braking system, which prevents the front wheel from locking up under harsh braking or panic braking scenarios. This is a life-saving feature that will always come in handy and reduce the number of deaths occurring from road accidents. So I feel completely satisfied and impressed. This is what I was expecting, and that's exactly what Honda have delivered. The Champion commuter becomes even better, much more interesting, much more lively now with a peppy, energetic 160cc engine. Of course, with this BS6 model, they have made things even more refined, fine-tuned to the maximum. The value proposition scales higher because of the added safety of ABS, and you also have engine kill switch. You have the trusted and proven 160cc powertrain, and you have the fuel efficiency, the bulletproof reliability that comes as standard when the branding reads Honda. Given the current situation, I believe this is the need of the hour, a commuter motorcycle which is with a lower maintenance cost, a trusted and proven engine that will offer great engine life as well as superb efficiency, superb fuel economy at an affordable price. Now, talking about what could be better, I really wish they add the side stand engine cutoff feature, which I feel is a life-saving feature and can reduce a number of road accidents. Also, I hope they try and include LED lights for future upgrades. Now, priced at Rs 95,267 ex-showroom, the new Honda Unicorn 160 BS6 is just what the doctor ordered given the current scenario. A hardcore 160cc commuter bike with a trusted and proven track record, a more peppy engine, the added safety of ABS and fuel injection resulting in better mileage and better refinement. To know the exact on-road price for the Unicorn 160 BS6 here in Hyderabad, please call the number appearing on the screen currently. Well, I guess this wraps up my video of the Honda Unicorn 160 BS6 model. I just hope you found this video useful. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Until then, take care, God bless, and ride safe.